Alright, here we are on a Daikin Multi-Zone mini split job. I'll show you the outside first. Have the line hide going up to each unit. Cover the line sets. Once we went under the deck, then they're not covered. There's one there going to that lower bedroom. Up on the deck, we've got another one here. It goes up into upstairs bedroom. Around to the back of the living room. Got one coming up here. It was able to fit right between the two window trim there. Protrudes beneath the deck. And last but not least, over here to the dining room. Comes from under the deck, goes below, up, and there. Now we'll go down and see the outdoor units. Here's the unit that serves the two units for the dining room and the living room. Line sets go up, over. I don't know if you'll be able to hear that. It's running right now. Pretty quiet. Disconnect. This line set comes around. And goes up right there. That's the one that goes between the two windows. So that services the 18,000 BTU and the 12,000. Now for the three bedrooms, there's three 7,000 BTU units on this one. You know, with the deck over top of it, kind of sheltering it from any snow. I don't foresee much snow coming in here. If it is an issue in the future here, we can always elevate this outdoor unit a little bit. But right now, I think it's going to be pretty well protected. And its line sets all go this way. Under the deck. These were fun to fish through there, but we got them. That's the one there, and that's the other one there. So now we'll go inside and take a look at the indoor units. Alright, here we are inside the house. This is the kind of like a sunroom, an all seasons room. It's a vaulted ceiling with a little catwalk going across it. But I have this unit located in here. It's a 12,000 BTU unit. Going into the other part of the downstairs, another kind of living room here. Fireplace, television, and then we have the kitchen over here, which kind of enters into this whole room, and we have an 18,000 BTU unit on the wall here. Those two units are operating off of the same outdoor unit, a 3-zone 24,000 BTU. Now we're going to go up the spiral staircase to the upstairs. Alright, as soon as we come upstairs, we have a small little guest bedroom. Now, this is overkill for the room, but the smallest you can get in the Multi-Zone series is a 7,000 BTU. I was just able to fit it on that exterior wall, otherwise it had to go on the slanted wall, which would have made things a little more tricky. But I was able to get it there and pipe it outside. Back here you can see the catwalk going across there to the other end of the house, another spiral staircase over there. So here's the master bedroom. Alright, and we've got this unit. It's about the only place we could put it. There is an attic above here, but it's too small to get a ceiling cassette unit. Now I'm going to get some of the slim duct and cover that up, just haven't gotten that yet. So, and this is another 7,000 BTU unit. So that'll cover the bedroom here. There's the bed. So there is actually one more unit downstairs I forgot to show. Go back downstairs. So all three of the 7,000 BTU units are on the same outdoor multi-zone. And here's the other one, 7,000 for a small bedroom here. So, and out into the kitchen. Alright, and that's our little walkthrough.